Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about classification of plant kingdom. Before going to classification of plant kingdom, we have to know that what does classification mean. Classification means grouping or separating any items. Next, plant kingdom. What does plant mean or whom we can say as a plant? Any organism who prepare their own food and green in color due to presence of chlorophyll are called as plants. Then in our environment we see different type of plants. In some plant we cannot distinguish what is root, what is stem and what is leaf. And in some plants are flowering, some plants are non-flowering. Also in some plants seeds are naked, and in other plants seeds are covered. Considering these differences in characters, plants are classified into separate groups. There are two types of classification of plant kingdom. They are traditional type and modern type. First, let us discuss what is traditional type. In traditional type, kingdom Plantae is divided into two subkingdom, namely Cryptogame and Phanerogame. Then subkingdom Cryptogame divided into three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. And subkingdom Phanerogame divided into two divisions, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Let us discuss these in briefly. Before going to each kingdom and subkingdom, we have to know that what does this kingdom, subkingdom, class, etc. means. Kingdom is the highest ranked group in a classification. It may further divided into subkingdom. In hierarchy of classification, kingdom is the highest ranked group. Below to the kingdom, plants are classified into divisions and animals are classified into phylum. Then the next lowest rank is class, order, family, genus and species. Next we discuss what is plant kingdom. What does this Plantae mean? Plantae is nothing but the scientific name of plant. Kingdom Plantae or plant kingdom includes all plants. Next subdivision, Cryptogame. Cryptogame includes all cryptogamous plants. Next, what does cryptogamous plants mean? All non-flowering plants are called cryptogamous plants. Next subdivision is Phanerogame. The subdivision Phanerogame includes all phanerogamous plants. Now, what does phanerogamous plants mean? All flower-bearing plants, all flowering plants are called phanerogamous plants. Then the subdivision Cryptogame is divided into three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Let us discuss what is division Thallophyta. Thallophyta includes all thalloid plants. What does these thalloid plants mean? In some plants we cannot identify what is root, stem and what is leaf. These undifferentiated root, stem and leaf are called thallus, and the plant is called thalloid plant. The next division is Bryophyta. In this division, all moss-like plants are included. In the next division, Pteridophyta, all fern or feather-like plants are included. Next, let us discuss subkingdom Phanerogame is divided into two divisions, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Division gymnosperm includes all gymnosperms. What does this gymnosperm mean? Some plants where seed is not covered, that means naked seeded plants, are called gymnosperms. Next division is angiospermae. Angiospermae includes all angiosperms. What does angiosperm mean? In many plants, seeds are covered and not directly exposed to the environment. These covered seeded plants are called angiosperms. Next, the angiosperm division is divided into two classes, monocotyledone and dicotyledone. First, we see what is class monocotyledone. This class includes all monocotyledon plants. Plants having single cotyledon are called monocotyledon plants. Now, what does this cotyledon mean? Cotyledons are the first part of the seed which appear above the ground during germination. It is also defined as the first leaf or the set of leaves that sprout from a seed. The next class is dicotyledon. This class includes all dicotyledon plants. Plants having two cotyledons or a set of cotyledon is called dicotyledon plants. Till now we discussed traditional type of classification. Next we are going to see what is modern type of classification is. According to modern type of classification, plant kingdom is divided into Thallophyta and Embryophyta. Embryophyta is next divided into Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. Tracheophyta is next divided into Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta is divided into Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Next, Angiosperm is divided into monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Previously, we discussed what is Thallophyta means. That means all thalloid plants are called Thallophyta. Examples are some algae like nostoc, etc. Next, Embryophyta. Embryophyta includes all land plants. They have differentiated plant bodies also and are called embryophytes. Next, in division Bryophyta, all moss-like plants are included. Mosses like your Mertensia, etc. are some examples of Bryophyta. In Tracheophyta, plants with vascular tissues are included. What does vascular tissues mean? The tissues which helps in transportation of water and minerals are called vascular tissues. Examples like xylem and phloem, etc. Next, Tracheophyta is divided into Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. In Pteridophyta, all fawn or feather-like plants are included. In Spermatophyta, all phanerogamous plants or all seed-producing plants are included. In Gymnosperm, all naked-seeded plants are included, like our example Pinus, etc. And in Angiosperm, all cover-seeded plants like mango, coconut, etc. are included. Then Angiosperm is divided into monocotyledons and dicotyledons, like our previous classification. In monocotyledons, all single cotyledon plants are included, and in dicotyledon, all double cotyledons plants like our cucurbita, etc. are included. We also previously discussed what is cotyledon mean. Cotyledon means the first leaf or the set of leaves which appear during germination. So these are the two types of classification of plant kingdom we discussed. Thank you, students.